Hey, here we are looking at AMBS. This is a 60-minute chart, and maybe I should be doing the weekly chart right now because it is Friday and obviously the end of the week, but I want to do the 60-minute chart because it gives us a different perspective. I did the daily chart a couple days ago, so if you want to see that, just go back and look through the archives. But for this, I just want to focus on the 60-minute because I think it does a good little job of showing that bigger pullback that happened and what's happened since. And then, of course, going forward, what do we want to see happen? So, and like I said, the 60-minute I think does the best job of depicting that and showing us, those key different components that we want to see. So the first thing I want to point out is just everybody that's been playing AMBS truly got spoiled. This is something that you don't see happen too much, but let me take a step back. Instead of each one of these bars representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 1 hour's worth. So keeping that in mind, check out this hour after hour after hour after hour of just green days. We had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours of straight continuous green action before finally this little pullback hour here, and then even after that, a couple more hours of green. So, just a truly monster move here and pretty impressive. So now the current chart, though, the good thing that happened here is you can see the price pulled back and bounced right off the 60 period simple moving the 50 period simple moving average, and that's exactly what you'd want to see happen. So nice to see that this overall moving average held strong and was able to hold. Made this bounce, and then on this pullback, here's the key thing: put in a set of higher lows. So this pullback came down to 0.082, and this low was at 0.07. So obviously this set was higher than that set, and that's the name of the game. So good to see the higher low put in on the pullback after this initial bounce. In terms of, and obviously this is the key level of support right now on the 60 period or the 60-minute chart. In terms of resistances, it's looking like, and is this resistance coming from? No, not quite, but up here you can see that 2 hours in a row the price tried to get above this 0.114 area and could not quite do it. So that's going to be the current shorter term area of resistance, and then after that really nothing until the previous highs, which I'm going to personally call, although it's not the exact previous high. You can see it's got quite a bit of price action right around this level that I'm just going to call it, we'll call it 0.126, and it's kind of splitting hairs there, or let's just call it 0.125. That'll make everybody's life a little bit easier. So 0.125 is going to be then the next level of resistance before new highs would then be getting put in. And I just want to end by saying the daily chart still looked fine. Nobody likes to see big red days like what happened on Thursday, but that's just part of the game. No stocks can go straight up. So as long as the prices remain above their key moving averages, then there's nothing to worry about. Pullbacks are just part of the game. So overall, daily chart, weekly chart, all look good, but I just wanted to give this perspective from the 60-minute chart. So if there are any other questions, though, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was AMBS. Thanks for listening and enjoy your weekends.